So you can see in a minute here I am masking off a bit of a hexa pattern, and these are the boosters that go on the sides of the legs, and I'm using this colour to kind of offset it. And I've already done it on the other booster at the minute, which is drying, and hopefully when I take this off it's going to look okay, so we shall see. Okay, and there we have a masked hexa pattern on the booster, which turned out quite nice, I think. It's a nice little patterned effect, and hopefully I'll carry on this kind of motif throughout the model. Here's all the next parts for priming. There's the waist parts there, head here, did a bit of seam line removal on the back there, backpack and body, and a bit more body there all masked off, and we're ready to start priming. So I'm about to do some wet sanding on these primed parts here. And the reason why I do this is so I get a very nice smooth finish. It's quite simple. I give it one good layer of primer, as you can see, and then I get some 1000 grit paper, waterproof obviously, put it in the paper, and then I very lightly start sanding until the surface is nice and smooth. So what you'll end up with is something like this, and it will look a little bit rough. There'll be some parts where the colour underneath is coming through, but that does not matter, as long as, if you feel it, it feels nice and smooth all over. We're all good, and we're ready for the next stage of priming. And here's the next stage of the priming process. I'm literally giving it another coat of black primer, and I'm going over all the parts again with a 1500 grit sandpaper to give it this nice smooth finish. Now you'll notice there are some bits of the white plastic starting to show through, but that really isn't a problem because the surface is absolutely perfect. And that's the base coat and the final coat done on these parts. All that remains is to do a clear coat. Actually I should probably do a little bit of masking for the hexa pattern, like some other parts I did earlier. Then I'll do the clear coat. I've also finished my tiny pilot, which is of course full frontal. I'm absolutely terrible at hand painting, but I managed to get the basic colours in there, so from a distance he looks fine. Done the blues here for the body, and I've done a couple of orange bits over here, and I've still got the grey bits to go over there. These are all done, of course, and I think I'm going to call it a day for this weekend. So I thank you all for watching, as usual, and I will see you again next time.